Hey y'all, we are having a sushi feast tonight. Come join me. I cannot wait to see y'all there. We're having a sushi feast. Yes, y'all. I owe it to you. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Okay. Where am I going for first? I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I know what a couple of the rolls are, but half of them I really don't even know. I forgot. And I screenshotted everything on my phone, but I'm kind of using it right now for y'all. So, okay. We're going to start with the first bite. Y'all. I got wasabi, ginger, of course, soy sauce, of course, and I also have some shrimp sauce. I may or may not use it, but just in case, it might be necessary. Mmm. We have spicy tuna, cucumber, and Topiko on the top. Hey, I'm not editing shit out. I'm done with these bitches. I'm way too hungry. Cucumber maki. Well, mmm. Mm. You already know what time it is. You know what time it is. This is like literally one of my favorite rolls. Yes. Yellowtail, avocado, cilantro, and it come with lime as well. Yes. Yeah. That presentation sucked. I'm sorry. Legit. Hmm. What are you guys up to this evening? What are you doing? What have y'all been up to? What are you eating on? What are you sipping on? What are you watching? I want to know. I just want to know. I have missed y'all so much. Like, y'all don't even know. I'm so excited. So excited I didn't even put any wasabi on my sushi. Like, what the hell? I'm sick of this. I'm sick of it. We're just gonna get right down to it. That was hot. Whoa. I'm switching my hair up tomorrow, y'all. No more Shabobskis. I'm switching it up. What do y'all think I'm going to do this time? Of course, you know I got to leave it a secret. But I'm pretty excited. I'm super excited. That was good. Mm-hmm. I didn't do that on purpose. Allergy season is in full effect. So if my voice goes in and out, I'm sorry. Having some issues, but it's all good. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. I can't eat another bite. I just can't. I enjoyed myself. Like, that was amazing. Like, that was freaking awesome. And I hope you guys loved it as much as I did, because legit. I love you guys so freaking much. You don't even understand. You have absolutely no clue. But I love the shit out of each and every one of y'all. I really do. And as small as my little unit is, it's solid. It's strong. Heck yeah. But for real, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Every like, every view, every comment, every positive vibe. I feel it all. I love it all. I appreciate it. I am so grateful. Like, just grateful. I can't eat anymore. I'm full. And it's getting late. And I really just kind of want to go to bed right now. But I wanted to end this on a positive note. I don't know who needs to hear this. But know your worth. You're beautiful. You're amazing. You're on this planet for a reason. God woke you up. Keep moving. Know your worth. If you have people in your life that don't, or treat you less than, kick they crunchy asses to the curb. Period. Cancel. Kick them to the fucking curb. I don't know who needs to hear it, but somebody does apparently. Kick they crunchy asses to the curb. Believe in yourself. You can do whatever you set your mind to. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Love other people. Respect other people. And just be a good human being. Just be a good human being. That's all. I love y'all so much. Please make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel. If you just need to talk to me, you know how to contact me. All of my information will be down below. And until next time.